Kigumo residents protested against police brutality after a middle-aged man was found murdered outside Kibichoi police station last week. Residents of Kigumo and Kibichoi villages in Githunguri sub-county, Kiambu county took to the streets to demonstrate what they claim is police brutality and a general rise in violent crime. According to the protesters, the victim, Kimani Wathiru, was last seen last Thursday at the police canteen before his family was informed that his body had been found outside the police station and taken to Kigumo Hospital mortuary. Githunguri OCPD said that investigations have started and urged the residents to stay calm.
Ndio amechukua chukumu, amechukua investigation, akaandika statements ya kila mtu ambaye alikuwa na marehemu wakati huo. So ile kitu ningeomba tu ni kwamba tutulie, tungoje investigation ichukue direction ile itatuongoza.